going to show you how to set up tracking in the CapCut app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. I already opened up a project. From here, we just move to the text box, which we want to have as a tracking element. And then we click on it. Then we click on tracking, and here we can set motion tracking, and then add set what we want the text to track, and from what distance as well. So for example, if we have a ball or a person that we want to track with text, we can just set it up like this. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.